Hello, so today we are going to be doing a $100 orchid haul and a $100 rare orchid haul. So I actually ordered these, well, I think I ordered both of these over the weekend, and no, I ordered both of these last week. And this is being filmed on the 26th, so last week was last week. And it ended up being that they got sent out on the same day, and they both got sent out with 2-day shipping. So I received them on the same day. And this is not my Pick My Orchid haul. My Pick My Orchid, which is a contest that I did on my Instagram, and that I regularly do on my Instagram, that orchid is coming later this week. So I have quite a few unboxing videos for you coming soon. And actually these are probably going to be the unboxing videos are going to get fewer and farther between because I probably have over 150 plants in my collection. 150 orchids in my collection at this point. So I don't really feel the need to get more orchids, especially because most of the sort of wish list orchids that I had when I started the hobby, when I started collecting, I have most of those orchids, if not all of them now, so it's just not really necessary for me to buy new orchids anymore. And this orchid is a Cattleya Mossiae, and this orchid is coming from Chadwickson's Orchids. So yeah. This is the orchid nursery, and I ordered this on eBay, but they do have an online store as well. Okay, and the little note that they had says, "Thanks for your order. This Cattleya Mossiae should do very well in sunny California. And it has 2 leads." Okay. So that's gonna be fun. And while Cattleya Mossiae is rare in and of itself, the Cerulean Cattleya Mossiae, which this is even rarer. And I'm gonna say I got this plant for $45 plus $15 shipping, and they do still have quite a few Cattleya Mossiae Cerulean on the listing. So if you do want to get this orchid, there are still some available. And this is the orchid. Let me get this stuff off. Okay, so here's one lead, and there's the other. Okay, let me clean this up, and then I'll be right back. Okay, here we are. I have it lying down because it doesn't stand up so well because the bottom of the pot is kind of rounded. But here's the tag, Cattleya Mossiae Cerulean. And again, here's the plant. I'm gonna say the plant from the bottom of the pot is about, let's see. I'm gonna say it's about 18 inches. Because up to my elbow, I measured, is like 18 inches from the tip of my middle finger to my elbow. So, when I put my hand down right here, it goes up to about my elbow. So it's about 18 inches. And because it's so tall, I kind of want to grow this one outside. But I kind of want to grow it inside too, because it's like I said, a rare orchid. But we'll see what I end up doing with this one. Let's go on to the second orchid, and I'm gonna put this one away. Okay, and here is the second orchid. So this orchid is from Orchids-Forever on eBay. And this is another rare orchid. This one was actually $55, and I believe it was $10 or something shipping. Something around there. So it came out to like $65, something like that. Which for this orchid is not, I mean, it's not an uncommon price to find this orchid at. Although I do wish I could have found it cheaper. I'm very happy to have this orchid because not only is it rare, but I've already killed it once, so. Okay. Let me move these packing peanuts. Okay, so let's get back into this unboxing. I hope this means it has flowers, because if it has flowers, I am going to die on camera or off camera as I am right now. Because the listing did have a flower in bloom as well as a bud, but I don't know how old the listing photo. Oh my god, do you see that? It's got a flower! Bitch, I'm gonna scream. Well, I already did scream. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, and it's got a bud too. Look! Look! Is it fragrant? Not really. But it's been in a box for 2 days, so. Okay, let me detach all of this from the flower first, so I can be a little bit rougher with it. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to sweep the patio. No, let me just. Oh my god. I'm completely discombobulated. I see flowers and I go crazy. Okay, there we go. Yay! So I don't know if you could tell from the flower. Or maybe you couldn't, because this is a lighter variety than you usually see. But this is Phalaenopsis corningiana. And here are the flowers. Oh my god. But the flowers are supposed to smell, some people say they smell like mint. Some people say they smell like grape. Some people say they smell like minty grape. But I will let you know on my Instagram page what they smell like, because as of right now, they do not have a fragrance. Yeah, no real fragrance right now. And the flowers are very waxy. So yeah, I'm very happy to have this one. And then I have a bud here. Hopefully this doesn't blast on me and we can keep it going through the rest of the summer. And here are the roots. The roots look healthy. I mean, for me, as long as it has 1 or 2 roots, I feel like that's good. And this looks like it has more than 1 or 2 roots. And there's some roots at the bottom, right there. So it seems well rooted in the pot. Here's the tag, Phalaenopsis corningiana. And I don't know what this says right here. I think this is a pot size. Oh yeah, here it is. Let me see if there's anything. So there's some spotting on the leaves right here. And the leaves look a little bit yellow. But these don't worry me because they're not super defined. There you go. They're not super defined, and usually if it's like an active infection, they'll be a lot darker and a lot more well defined, and not so like blotchy. Basically they'll be a darker black. At least that's what I've seen on my orchids. So yeah, let me just get you a shot of both of my orchids together. So this is my haul. We have Cattleya mossii and we have Phalaenopsis corningiana. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, which is going to be my Pick My Orchids unboxing. from Norman's Orchids.